हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू योर सोशल साइंस क्लास। अभी आपको अपने एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए क्विक रिवीजन चाहिए, तो इसीलिए मैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 हिस्ट्री, चैप्टर नंबर 3 रूलिंग द कंट्री साइड, इसके सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, The Champaran movement was against peasants, East India Company, the oppressive attitude of the planters, none of the above. And your correct answer will be the oppressive attitude of the planters. ये गांधी जी की ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट पहली सफलता है और वो गांधी जी ये चंपारण के जो किसान हैं उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए वहाँ गए थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। The company was appointed as Diwan of Bengal in, and your options are 1762, 1763, 1764, 1765. And your correct answer will be 1765. Question number 3. गांधी जी विजिटेड चंपारण। गांधी जी ने चंपारण कब विजिट किया था, क्यों किया था? Why गांधी जी विजिटेड चंपारण? And your options are, I will tell directly correct answer. This will save your time. Okay. So, इसका correct answer होगा to see the plight of indigo. Sorry, to see जो indigo planters in चंपारण. To see the plight of indigo planters in चंपारण. गांधी जी चंपारण विजिट करने गए थे क्योंकि चंपारण के किसानों की हालत बहुत खराब थी। वो कितना दुखी थे और क्या प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी उसको देखने के लिए गांधी जी गए थे। Question number 4. Who devised the new system of revenue called Mahalwari? Mahalwari system was introduced by, this was a system of revenue collection, and your correct answer is Holt Mackenzie. Holt Mackenzie. Question number 5. Growers of wood in Europe saw crop as competition to their earnings. जो यूरोप के अदर ट्रेडर्स क्रॉप्स के ग्रोवर्स हैं वो किसको कंपटीशन मानते हैं? एंड योर करेक्ट आंसर विल बी इंडिगो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इंडिगो प्रोडक्शन केम डाउन इन बंगाल इन विच ईयर? एंड योर करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 1859. 1859. Next question. Who had developed the Monroe system? And who introduced the Monroe system? And your correct answer will be Thomas Monroe. Thomas Monroe. Next question. Question number 8. How much proportion of indigo was imported from India by Britain in 1810? 1810 में टोटल जो प्रोडक्शन होता था इंडिगो का उसका कितना परसेंटेज ब्रिटेन इंपोर्ट करता था उस टाइम 1810 में? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 95%. सॉरी 95%. Next question. Question number 9. H.T. Colebrook described the conditions of the under-tenant farmers in कौन से ईयर में उसने बताया इसके बारे में? And your correct answer is 1806. 1806 में बताया इसने. Next question. After the harvest, the indigo plant was taken to in the indigo factory. Dye, wet, farm या machine? It will be wet. Question number 11. The international demand of indigo was affected by the discovery of synthetic dyes. Synthetic dyes की डिस्कवरी से इंडिगो की डिमांड कम हो गई थी. Synthetic dyes. Now we will see some questions in Google Forms. Question number 1. The image given depicts an important Governor General of East India Company accepting the Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa from the Mughal ruler in 1765. Name this British personality. इस पिक्चर में जिसने सबसे पहले बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा की दीवानी ली थी, एक्सेप्ट की थी 1765 में मुगल रूलर से, उसकी पिक्चर है. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. पिक्चर क्लियर नहीं है, यू नो द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सनैलिटी एंड योर करेक्ट आंसर इज रॉबर्ट क्लाइव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. From the given dates, on which date did Mughal Emperor appoint the East India Company as Diwan of Bengal? And the correct answer is on August 12, 1765. Question number 3. What was the chief advantage of the company when appointed as Diwan of Bengal? And the correct answer is the company become the chief financial administrator of the territory under its control and they could raise revenue. उनको फायदा, वो revenue बढ़ा सकते थे. Now the company is the financial administrator. Question number 4. A few statement with respect to Bengal economy after the company had become the Diwan are given. Pick out the one that is not applicable to the Bengal economy. Okay, there are some statements. The artisans started deserting villagers as they were forced to sell their goods to the company at low prices. The Bengal company thrived and progressed. Peasants were unable to pay the dues that were being demanded from them. Artisanal production and agricultural cultivation showed sign of collapse. And your correct answer will be the Bengal economy was thrived and progressed. बंगाल की इकोनॉमी एकदम खराब हो गई थी. और सब स्टेटमेंट सही है, ये करेक्ट नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What happened in 1770 in Bengal so that 1/3 of the population was wiped out? क्या हुआ था? Due to terrible famine, 10 million people in Bengal were wiped out. Question number 6. In which year did Bengal witness the Great Famine? 1770. Question number 7. From the given possibilities, which year did the British introduce the permanent settlement of Bengal? Permanent settlement of Bengal was introduced in 1793. According to the terms of the permanent settlement, who were recognized as zamindars, rajas and talukdars? Question number 9. How did the company ask the rajas to collect revenue? Rajas had to collect from peasants and pay revenue to the company. Question number 10. A set of statement on how the permanent settlement system was advantage to the British are given below. Pick out the one that is not applicable. इसमें से कौन सा सही नहीं है? There are some statements and the revenue amount was not fixed. One and zamindars did not benefit from increased. यही wrong है. इसमें तो fix होता है. Others all are correct. The Rajas and Talukadars were recognized as zamindars. The system created a new class of landlords who were loyal to the British. The British could get a continuous flow of revenue. ये तीनों करेक्ट है, ये रॉन्ग है परमानेंट सेटलमेंट के बारे में. और आपको फाइनली सबमिट करना होगा. Now we will see some true and false type questions. Number 1. The demand for indigo increased in late 17th century. This is false. Why? उस टाइम पे सिंथेटिक डाइज आ गए थे तो इंडिगो की डिमांड डिक्रीज हो गई थी, कम हो गई थी, ना कि इंक्रीज हुई थी, बढ़ी नहीं थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Revenue were fixed in the permanent settlement. Yes, this is true. This is true. ये ट्रू है, परमानेंट सेटलमेंट में फिक्स होती है. Question number 3. The company purchased goods in India before 1765 through gold and silver imports. This is true. This one also true. Question number 4. Mahalwari system came into existence in 1700. This is false. Weekly markets were very flourishing during economic crisis of Bengal. एकदम अपोजिट बताया है, ये false. एकदम खत्म हो गए थे weekly markets. Question number 7. The company introduced the permanent settlement in 1793. This is true. Now I have taken some questions, true or false type questions from here. You can see the answers also. Question number 1. After the indigo production collapsed in Bengal, the planters shifted to Bihar. True. You can see answers here also. This is true. Sugarcane was grown in Assam. False. The company became Diwan but still was seen as traders. True. Peasants were unable to pay royals fled the countryside. This is true. In India, the indigo plant was cut mostly by men. This is true. In 1860, the indigo cultivators started to rebel. विद्रोह करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था 1860 तक आते नहीं, लेट स्टार्ट हुआ था. फॉल्स. The company introduced permanent settlement in 1793. This is true.